Hi guys, ngayon po ay gagawin ko ang candy challenge. So, meron po akong 30 na candy na iba't iba ang flavors. So, sana po mahulaan po lahat. First candy. First candy. Ano to ah? Max kulay yellow?
Yes.
Next. Snow bear, I know. Ito lang yung nag-iisang nakataling na ito. Snow bear.
Check.
Next. What's the next? Hoy, nakain ka! Janly! Nakain ka, huwag ka kasi kumain.
Nakuha ako.
Nakuha ka eh. Ang kumuha.
That is the next.
How?
Yes.
Next. Alam ko na.
This is the next.
Juicy fruit.
No.
Hindi, juicy fruit to.
No.
Juicy fruit.
No. Wrong.
Juicy fruit.
No.
Juicy fruit nga to.
No.
Ay, ano?
Sirit.
Ano?
Sirit.
Yes.
Double man.
Double me?
Okay.
Oo nga.
This is the next.
Asan?
Very yummy.
Max color red.
Yes. This is the next.
Ito na yon.
No.
No, this is the...
It's very madali lang ito.
Juicy fruit.
Mahulaan kaya nito.
Juicy
It's
fruit.
very madali lang. Yes.
Juicy fruit.
Yes. It's madali lang. It's a blank. Here
Next.
I am.
Next. Holy papa, ano to? Di ko alam.
What is the
Open,
name?
please.
What is the flavor?
Ay. Nadikit sa aking lahok.
That is the next.
Kiss.
No. What is the kiss?
Lips.
No. What is the flavor?
Strawberry or cherry?
Alin doon sa dalawa?
Cherry.
No.
Strawberry.
Yes! Tinapon mo, akin na lang!
Sorry. Next.
Sayang naman.
Ano to?
Hulaan mo.
Ano yun?
Itatapon ko lang itong balat.
Ano to? Max.
What is the color?
Orange.
Check. And this is the last, but not the least.
No, meron pa akong judge at saka lash.
No,
Where?
I don't know.
Nasa na ako sunod.
Nito lang kasunod. The last, but not the least.
Ano to?
Hulaan mo. Aray.
Chewy choco.
Yes.
Kulay red.
Yes.
Next.
No.
Next.
Wala
Next.
na. Wala na.
Meron pa akong judge.
Andito lang yung lahat.
Kanain mo.
Goodbye! Bye-bye!